your perfect body scrub? Is it sugar or salt? Hey everyone, welcome back. We'll be talking about sugar and salt body scrub. What is the difference? How do they work? Just calm down. I'm going to explain all this to you so that at the end of this video, whenever you want to purchase a body scrub, you know what you want. You know what you're treating, then you know the perfect body scrub to go for, whether you buy sugar scrub or salt scrub. Keep on watching. Make sure you watch to the end so that means the amazing things I'm going to discuss at the end of this video. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, welcome to my world. My name is Choma. I talk about everything skincare, how you're going to take care of your skin, glow and look beautiful like me. So let's dive into the topic. Welcome back. Let's talk about how exfoliating is the superstar in this skincare world. Our skin constantly builds up dead cells. That means some of our skin do die off, which can build up on the surface of our skin, leaving it looking rough and dry. So exfoliating or scrubbing help remove these dead skin cells, revealing the brighter, younger looking skin underneath. Not only does this exfoliating give us gorgeous skin, it can also help to make your skincare product to penetrate into your skin, then making it to work faster and give you the result you're looking for. The benefit of exfoliating is that it can also increase your circulation. When you scrub your skin, it helps to make circulation, that is blood circulation, to circulate well all over your body. For those with sensitive skin or you are concerned about irritation, sugar scrub is the best for you. Sugar granules are naturally round and finer compared to salt crystals. The gentle nature of sugar allows it to scrub away your dead skin cell without being harsh or causing a micro tear. Makes sugar scrub perfect for areas like your face, your neck and your curettage. Another benefit of sugar scrub is that it can offer other benefits depending on ingredients you choose to incorporate into it. For example, honey is a natural humectant that attracts and retains moisture to the skin. So when you mix sugar and honey to prepare a scrub, you have made a perfect scrub for those with dry skin. So this means that if you have a dry skin, you buy sugar scrub. Look for the ones that they incorporate honey into it. Salt scrub, on the other hand, is for deeper cleansing. So if you're looking for more deeper and intense exfoliating, especially those that are not been for exfoliating for a very long time, you want to do what we call deeper exfoliating, salt scrub is what you need. Salt crystal, on the other hand, is rougher than sugar, making it ideal to tackle dry areas and patches like your elbow, knees and your heels. Salt scrub is best if you want to exfoliate those dry patches, leaving you feeling more renewed and smoother. That's why if you go to do a pedicure, they normally use salt scrub. Let's also talk about the mineral benefit of salt scrub, especially salt from Dead Sea. They are packed with magnesium, potassium and calcium, which can help to improve your skin and overall health. Now that you have understand the benefit and difference between sugar and salt, okay, let me help you choose the one that is right for you. So if you have sensitive skin, kindly stick to the gentle touch of sugar scrub. Or you need intense exfoliating, salt scrub is what you need to tackle those dry patches. If you're looking for extra moisture, you want a well-rounded moisturized skin, sugar scrub mixed with honey will give you the perfect moisture you're looking for. So if you feel like your skin is dry for a while, just buy a white sugar, find original honey, mix it together, use it and scrub yourself before you take your bath. You will feel relieved, you will feel moisturized. Or you want to boost your minerals, consider doing a Dead Sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. Go to the supermarket, you get this salt, use it and scrub yourself at home. You will get your minerals boosted. I know you'll be confused. making your own or buying, because when I say get this and this, you be like, am I making it or am I buying it? Anyway, there's something really satisfying about whipping your own sugar or salt scrub at home. You get to control the ingredients and customize it to your need. Let's say you, like I said earlier, that sugar and honey, you might not necessarily get it like as you need. So doing your own at home, the liberty to do what? To control the ingredients. However, a pre-made scrub can also be a convenient option if you're in short of time. If you don't have time for homemade scrub, just be sure to check the ingredients to make sure you are not buying scrub that is filled with chemicals and harsh ingredients. No matter which scrub you choose, you are on your way to getting a brighter, smoother skin. Incorporate scrubbing to your skincare routine today and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Hope you have now understood the difference between sugar and salt scrub, because I know sometimes you're confused like I was before. I know the difference between the two. Thank you for watching. Remember to watch this video. See you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, please kindly press the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Remember to on your notifications so that YouTube will do what? Remind you whenever I post another video.